Once a businessman became hopeless after his business failed. He became frustrated with life, and one day, while upset, he went to the forest and sat alone there. While sitting there, he thought for a long time and then said to God, "Tell me one reason why I should not despair. I lost everything. What should I do with this life? Why should I live?" Just then he heard a voice. It was God's voice. God said, "When I first planted grass, and soon, grass started growing and it turned land green, whereas bamboo seed didn't show any change. Still, I didn't stop caring for bamboo. In the second year, the grass became denser and grew more, but still, there was no change in the bamboo seed. Even in the third year, there was no result for the bamboo trees. Their seeds didn't sprout. Yet I didn't lose hope and kept watering it and took care of it. Even in the fourth year, there was no growth. 5 years later, a small plant sprouted from the bamboo seed. It was very small compared to grass, but only 6 months later, this small plant grew to 20 feet tall. It took 5 years for the bamboo seed to sprout. In these 5 years, its root became so strong that it could handle bamboo length, which was more than 20 feet high. Always remember, whenever you have to struggle in life, then understand that your roots are getting stronger. Your struggle is making you stronger so that you can make tomorrow the best it can be. I didn't give up on bamboo. I won't give up on you. And therefore, you shouldn't give up on yourself. The time of growth for both grass and bamboo is different, and so is their purpose. Similarly, your time will also come. Don't be afraid of struggles in your life. This struggle will strengthen the roots of your success. Keep going and don't give up. If not today, then tomorrow your good time will also come.